the second part of what to look for in cooling system analysis. Next, you'll want to check the cap and the level of coolant in the radiator. When checking the cap, pay attention to the rubber ring around the base of it that seals at the top and at the base of the plunger. And that plunger is the pressure relief. You want to make sure that rubber is not deteriorated, cracked, and is in generally good condition. Then you want to inspect your cooling hoses. You want to check for leaks, flexibility, whether it's dry rot or cracking. Dry rot is just where the hoses become so dry and brittle from oil evaporating that it's starting to crack, looks old and just wore out. So squeeze the hoses and see that they're still flexible and soft. And you're also feeling for a weakness. Potentially the hoses can crack on the inside, and when you squeeze you'll find it very easy or very low resistance when you squeeze there, and that can indicate that there's a deterioration on the inside of the hose, causing a weak condition there. So go around and check all the coolant hoses, the upper hose. There's a lower hose that goes down to the bottom of the radiator, and there's two cooling hoses for the heater core that go into the cab or the back fire panel or body of the vehicle and connect somewhere on the intake or around the backside, or generally if you'll start from the firewall and file them out, they connect in various places on various vehicles. So watch our next segment on brief overview of the cooling system.